In the high-stakes world of action cameras, companies usually chase the next big thing. Bigger sensors, crazy resolutions, or experimental AI. But in 2026, DJI seems to be taking a different path. The Osmo Action 6 set a high bar with its variable aperture and square sensor design. Now, all eyes are on the successor. While nothing is officially confirmed, the industry's most reliable rhythm suggests the Osmo Action 7 is quietly taking shape. Today, we're looking at what we know, what's rumored, and why DJI's strategy for this release might be their smartest move yet. DJI treats its annual refresh like a heartbeat. If we look at the lineage, from the original Action in 2019 to last year's Action 6, we see a company that values consistency. Based on their historical release pattern, we're looking at a launch window of October to November 2026. By holding their cards, DJI gets to watch their competitors move first, allowing them to land their product right at the start of the holiday shopping season. So what are the technical shifts? Interestingly, the rumors aren't pointing to a massive sensor overhaul. Instead, the focus is on efficiency. Imaging pipeline. We're expecting faster sensor readout and AI-assisted imaging that makes exposure and stabilization decisions in real time. The frame rate debate. While some expect 8K, the more exciting rumor is 4K at 200 to 240 frames per second. For sports and high-action shots, that kind of ultra-slow motion is arguably a far more practical upgrade than raw resolution. Battery life. DJI isn't just slapping in a bigger battery. They're aiming for optimized runtime efficiency, targeting nearly 5 hours of recording in specialized modes. That's a quality-of-life upgrade that actually matters. The market is tightening. GoPro is expected to lean on its legacy trust with the Hero 14 Black, though industry analysts have noted the brand is facing significant financial and innovation headwinds. Meanwhile, Insta360 is going full experimental, pushing the Ace Pro 3 into the $600 premium space with heavy AI integration. DJI is playing the middle ground. They aren't trying to out-gimmick the competition. They're aiming for the sweet spot, balancing high-end features with a price point expected to mirror the Action 6, likely between $349 and $429. One important note for our U.S. viewers. Due to ongoing regulatory discussions regarding the FCC's covered list, availability for DJI products in the States remains a moving target. If you're planning to upgrade, keep a close eye on retail availability as we head into Q4. The Action 7 isn't shaping up to be a total reinvention. It's a sharpening. Better thermals, more efficient power, and stabilization that just disappears into the background so your footage can take center stage. Is this quiet strategy the right move? Or is it time for DJI to make a louder splash? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And of course, subscribe. I'll be the first to let you know the moment the Action 7 becomes official. Thanks for watching.